So last night I said we were expecting about 12 to 15 inches, and I think we got so far about a foot. You can see how deep my feet are in the snow, and it's still snowing, so we're probably gonna get at least a couple more inches, I would imagine. Someone drove out this morning, braved it. I'm walking their tire tracks. It is about 8:30 Tuesday morning, and this is definitely what we would call a snowstorm. So the people left their windshield wipers up, make it easier to get through to clean off their car. I'm trying to get to my car. Surprisingly, my car doesn't have a lot of snow. I guess because it's in a corner. But it is very deep out here. This is Snowstorm Colby. There you go. Hello, good morning.